Presenting the 2011 Chevrolet Suburban LTZ. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include 4-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, universal garage door opener, front reading lamps, leather steering wheel, backup camera, and driver vanity mirror. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.